just got off my shift. It's actually 6:40. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just have like a little vlog to share with you guys of my work week. I worked 3 days in a row this week, and I just want to show you guys what I do to meal prep, some of the things that I got recently on Amazon, and just kind of how my regular work week goes. So I hope you all enjoy it. As you guys can see, I've been busy. I thought I'd show you guys the little haul that I just went on. A lot of these things were like toiletry restocks and some product restocks. But then I wanted to try a couple new things out as well. So I just wanted to show you guys what I got really quick. Alright, the first stop was Ulta. So this is my favorite facial cleanser by La Roche-Posay. I used to use CeraVe. And there's a lot of construction going on, by the way, so I apologize for the noise. It's been going on all day, so there's no better time to do this. To use CeraVe, CeraVe, however you pronounce it, and it was good, but it was very drying to my face, and I have very oily skin. But after coming off of birth control, my skin's not as oily as it used to be, so it's just too dry. So this leaves it less dry, and I've noticed a lot less redness and irritation too. So I will not steer away from this. If there's anything I've learned about skincare, it's once you find something that works for you, A, stock up on it, and B, don't ever change it. If you've got something that works, don't chase after the next thing that looks great. Just stick with what you got. All right, and the next thing that I needed, but it's new, like a new product for me, is this Odell detangling leave-in conditioner. I do use a conditioner in the shower, but sometimes it's a little like extra tangled when I first get out. So this is just really nice for smoothing it out. I've used a couple different detanglers in the past. But I haven't tried this one, and I do like this brand because it's clean beauty, which means it doesn't have like harsh chemicals and parabens and all that crap in it. And it's like natural fragrance too, so I'm gonna try this out and see what I think of it. I love these Mighty patches. I haven't tried the Invisible Plus ones, but I've started wearing them at work, and I'm hoping that these will be a little more like transparent and less noticeable, so that I can wear them to work, because for the most part, most people can't see them. But I just want to try these, and I was out as well. I have been doing press-on nails lately, just because I keep my nails really short because I'm a chronic skin picker. And in order to not pick at my skin, I either keep my nails really short or I put these on because I just can't get that good of a grip. And these are just short enough that I can wear them to work and not be an issue, and I can reuse them a time or two. I just can't justify going and spending a ton of money on getting my nails done, and I just don't trust like nail salons anymore, to be honest. Plus they just damage my nails over time, and it's not worth having something that doesn't last longer than 2 weeks. So anyways, this only lasts 2 weeks, but it's cheap. It's like $12, and I get at least like 3 uses out of them, so that's worth it to me. I get lots of compliments on it. 2 things from Ulta are these e.l.f. Cosmetics. I need a new concealer, so I got this, and I'm really hoping I didn't just get the exact same concealer that I already have, because I might end up returning that. But anyways, I really like this hydrating concealer, and then they also have one that's like a 16-hour concealer. But then they have this Camo Hydrating CC Cream that has sunscreen in it, and so I kind of want to try this out for work tomorrow and just see how it works, because e.l.f. Cosmetics is like on the cheaper end of things. You can find it in the drugstore, but they do a good job. It just depends on the products that you get. I've tried e.l.f. products that don't really work for me, and then others that I love so much. Then the last thing that I got is this Well People eyebrow gel. I went with the darker one, which is what I'm wearing right now. This is the one that's a little lighter, just because I think I might end up going a little bit lighter with my hair again. This is mostly my natural color, but I just felt like the dark was a little too dark, and I love this brand anyways, so I got a restock on that. And that's it for the Ulta haul. Next up, we have just a tiny mini Target haul. You don't really need to see it, but I just got some organic cotton pads. that time of the month is coming up and I don't want to use crappy stuff. You should always get organic cotton. I got these cute little drawer organizers. So I have some of these in my guest bathroom. So I'm gonna see if I prefer these because they do fit my drawers. And these are all in the like $5 section, or if I like this better. So you guys will see me like organize my drawer here in a few minutes. So me being a dummy didn't stop to realize that this is a drawer that kind of like pulls out. Of course, I've already put the tape all back on, but it pulls out, and I was looking for something that I could just pull out and put in here. Together, that was only like $8. And then I love taking these to work. These are the Simply Mints. This brand also makes a type of gum too, and I'm not as into the gum, but I did try it, and it's just better for you. There's a little bit less sugar in it and stuff like that. So I like these. They're kind of cute. So these are, I just keep them in my work bag really. And that's it. So I have water boiling for tea in the background, but I'm just packing lunches, and I already have my first lunch packed. I had some leftover chili and a sandwich and some grapes. Now I'm packing my husband's lunch for tomorrow just because it's a nice gesture, and then packing my lunch for day 2, and then I'll just reuse one of the packs for day 3, and I'll just have to pack my day 3 lunch on Wednesday evening, which is totally fine, just because I'm running out of containers and packs and stuff. But normally I would pack 3 all in the same evening. So I just put cashews and chocolate chips in these little mason jars, just so there's some like protein and something sweet. He likes these like crunchy peanut butter type of bars, and I'm more of a protein bar kind of gal. And then these Autumn Crisp grapes were on sale at Aldi, so I got those. And then I'm gonna make us sandwiches, maybe a salad, and some more chili, because that's what I have left over. This pesto mac and cheese from Aldi is so good, and they also have the same brand will have risotto. So I'll make that risotto with some Italian sausage or maybe some like shredded chicken that we've seasoned, just so you have some protein in there. And it's pretty easy and honestly really nice. I also heard that you're afraid if something's gonna boil over, you can put a wooden spoon and just lay it on top of the pot, and so when it starts to bubble, it hits the spoon. And I've done this before and it doesn't boil over, so just a little neat trick. Okay, I'm here at work for day 1 of 3 shifts in a row, and so I'm gonna head inside. My shift starts at 9. It's 8:45, so I have enough time to get in, get dressed in my scrubs, and to get to my pod and figure out what station I'm working in. So I'm gonna head in. Hey guys, so I just got off my shift. It's actually 6:40. We ended our cases at around 5, and then our last patient discharged at about 6:15 in the evening. So because we had multiple staff left, I got to go home early, which doesn't happen super often, but it's nice. So I'm gonna go make my Target return and then head home and get ready for the next day. I just got home to an Amazon package, and it is the Wavy Talk, like not blow dryer, but heating styling tool for blowouts. So I'm gonna try it out and see if I like it. I've seen it all over TikTok on my For You page, and they were having a sale on Amazon for it. It comes with a couple different tools. So the main one I want to use is like the big brown brush, just to see if I can actually achieve a blowout on my hair. So I'm gonna open this up and practice before I get a shower and wash my hair, just to see how it turns out. If I like it, I'll probably do a blowout before work tomorrow and get up early and show you guys if I can figure it out. So now I've got something to do with my evening before bed. Here's what's in it. There's a glove, directions, a couple different attachments so you can curl your hair with this tool. I might try these out, but more likely than not, I don't plan on using any of the attachments other than the styling brush. But there are options, some clips to clip your hair back. But this part, which I'll unwrap in a moment, is the piece that I think I'll use the most. And this is what it looks like. So I'm really excited to try this out. I've been wanting this for a minute, but I waited. I know I got a lot of stuff at once, and I usually don't spend this money all at once, but I do have kind of a fun cash budget, and it's the first of the month, so I definitely have been spending all of that money all at once. But I have like a list of things where if I feel like I want to impulsively shop, I just put a bunch of stuff in my cart and then save for later instead of purchasing it, because it kind of relieves that like, ooh, I want to search and add to a cart feeling. But I wait to actually buy it when I have the budget for it again. So just a little thing that I do. But yeah, I'm gonna set this up now because I really want to use it. Okay, so obviously I didn't take a ton of time. I also didn't put any product in other than heat protectant, but this is kind of how the blowout looks. My hair is really long, so I do think that if I put some more product in it, and once I get my hair trimmed to like maybe here, it will hold the waviness a little bit better. But I think it's really cute. Like if it's a last minute kind of thing, this was pretty easy to use. I only took 10 minutes. And again, I needed to use product. My hair's long, and I could spend a little bit more time being careful with it, but I really like it. I think it looks cute. It has some texture to it, so if I just want to wear my hair down, this would be a great way for me to do it. So it's a win for me. All right, it is 5:45 in the morning. I'm at Hot Pilates because a spot opened up at like 9:30 last night. And I am signed up for Friday, but Friday's going to be a little bit of a busy day. So if I squeeze it in today, which today is Wednesday, then I'll have got my 3 workouts in for this week. And then if I have time Friday, great. And if not, I've got less to sweat, literally. So yeah, and on my way out, I stirred the coffee pot, so when I get home, it's already ready. My sleep hygiene's been a little bit better, so I've been going to bed at a reasonable time, actually feeling sleepy, and falling asleep pretty quickly. So I'm hoping that continues, but waking up early and working out in the morning, by the time I get to the end of the day, I'm pretty tired, so it does help. It does suck to wake up really early, but after a bit, I like get used to it, and I actually kind of prefer it, so I just need to go to bed on time. So anyways, I am gonna get ready and gonna head in. Hey guys, it is now the weekend and my work week is over. I hope you all enjoyed the vlog. I just wanted to say thanks for watching, and I hope that you guys are enjoying these vlog type videos, and if you want to see anything different, just let me know. And yeah, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Tutuanana, see you later.